Hello, YouTubers. How are you today? Today, guys, Mama Ray Ray wants to show you how to make cream of mushroom wings. You can use any part of the chicken you like, but look at those babies. If you're in Detroit, Michigan, Westbourne and Ferndale, Michigan has very good chicken, all of it. Amish chicken and your regular chicken. This is what we're using. I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to use some olive oil. I'm going to use Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and onion powder. Very simple, easy recipe. I have some sweet peppers. It is a difference. Not the bell peppers. I have sweet peppers. Now, this is what you want to do, okay? You want to take a little olive oil. And if you're scared you're going to use too much, take and put 3 caps of the olive oil on your chicken. Yeah, I'm using my hands today, guys, and I'm about to make this chicken taste amazing. Very easy recipe. Now, what you want to do next is this. I washed it, rinsed it, guys, so that I would feel good about it, okay? Now, once you got all of your oil onto your chicken, what you want to do next is this. Go in. I'm using Italian seasoning. And you know what you like, guys. I know everybody say measurements. I'll put some in there for you, but you know what you like on your chicken. The cream of mushroom is going to do the sealing up for your chicken. It's going to give you what you want on your taste, but you're going to put your own love into your food, okay? So you take your Italian seasoning, make sure each one of those wings have some on there. I have this one here. It's real good. I get it at Kroger's. And some people like, okay, you don't promote them, but that's where I shop at all the time, guys. It's Kroger's, Westbourne Market, and the Western Market in Ferndale. Okay, that's enough. I'm going in with some garlic salt. I don't have the regular salt. It's enough salt in this garlic. Okay. Just want to give each one of those some of that love on there, okay? And after that, I'm going in with some onion powder, all right? And that's what your chicken should be looking like. I'll give you some measurements in the description box, guys. I will, okay? I love onion powder and garlic powder. And I know a lot of people say, that's boring, that's all you use. But this is how you take your chicken, and this is how I make my chicken. I'm adding Italian to it, and this is going to be absolutely tasty, delicious, and filled with love. Okay. Massage all of that into that chicken. And now we want to move on to the next step, guys. All right, guys, I'm going in with one of my peppers. Those are my sweet peppers. I like that piece. Okay. I'm just going to lay some of those right there. And then I'm going to go in with my cream of mushroom soup on top. And you do want to smooth it in. Lay it flat, just like this. Okay. Now this baby is going to be delicious. You can stop at with this 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, but I'm going to use 2. Okay? And I'm going to put it just like this all the way across. Don't throw that can away yet. Hold on to it, okay? In with the other one. And I'm just going to smooth it in. See how those peppers are on the chicken? If you like, you can spray your pan before putting your chicken down in there. I'm going to go in with a half a can of water on here. Just a little bit of water, just a little bit. And I'm going to put it inside of one of these cans. is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, let me get the water, guys, and I'll be right back. Take the water, just half a can, guys, not a full can. This is enough. Okay, put the rest of your peppers on. Now, optional. You don't have to do this because it's gonna be good either way it go. But for extra creaminess, I'm going in with the Earth Balance butter, okay? This is some good stuff, guys, if you haven't tried it. Okay? And I'm just gonna put a couple of teaspoons on here so that it can melt throughout and make it extra creamy for us. Okay? Just like that. Like that. Piece in the middle. Piece over there to the side. And voila. Okay, that's enough. Don't need a whole lot. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, okay? And I'll be right back. I'm just going to get some aluminum foil. My oven is on 365 instead of 350. 350 to 375 on your chicken. All right, this is gonna cook for about an hour and a half. No, that's not too long. It's gonna be awesome and delicious. Okay, guys, when I come back, this will be done. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. This is cream of mushroom chicken. I do have a cream of chicken recipe on my channel. I'm gonna have my son to put it up there so that you guys can watch it. Look at this. This is what it's looking like. Okay, that's our vegan butter there. Now, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna serve this up. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. And this is what I want you to see. That is cream of mushroom chicken wings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm plating it up with mashed potatoes, French style string beans, and some baked chicken. Guys, if it's hot like it is here in Michigan today, you guys take it easy. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Cream of mushroom chicken. Everything will be down in the description box. And if you want more color to this, before putting it in the oven, get you some paprika. But because I'm feeding my seniors today, I didn't want to put all that paprika into my chicken. You guys have an awesome day, a great week, and voila! Bye-bye.